Dinesh, and I represent Casita in South India. And we are basically a student accommodation company where I'll help you with the go through the PPT and help you in detail what we do and how we do. We are basically a 2017 started up company where we are right now catering to around 12 destinations, I should say around 12 plus more two destinations have been added very recently, around 14 destinations. So we help the students from around 52 countries for helping their getting their required accommodation as per the need and as per their budget in around 14 plus countries. The major countries that we help the students in helping them in accommodations are UK, Australia, US, Ireland, UAE, Singapore, New Zealand, South Korea, Austria, Germany, Spain, Canada, and Italy. And also we are slowly expanding India also. And as apart from this, where we also have 9 plus locations, customer service locations in London, Boston, Hong Kong, Delhi, Kathmandu, Taipei, Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, and Cairo. What I mean by customer service centers or the staff in 9 plus locations is, for example, if you are today, if you got any admit in UK, if you are landing up in UK, if you want any support when you land up over there in helping you booking the local cab, anything, our people also get involved from that particular country to support you. To that level, we get involved ourselves for helping the students reaching his destination, what he has booked for. And Casita is a company which is being formed by people who have expertise in education, marketing, and technology from all over the globe, who understand, people who understand the education system or ecosystem in this particular country, where it can bring more value to Casita. Apart from we can build more value to the students also. And as Casita, we work on exclusive model as PBSA. Is what I mean by PBSA stand for is purpose-built student accommodations, and where we deal with only student accommodations. We don't deal with any private homes or private apartments sort of thing. Where so that's our core strength, and we always maintain certain standards when we help you students with the accommodations as per the need and as per the budget. And these all accommodations are near to colleges, near to universities, where the students are looking to start up their academics, and also near to grocery stores to get their some needs as per their requirements when they start their study over there. And as of now, around 14 plus countries where we help the students in helping the accommodation as per the need and as per the budget. Around 450,000 accommodations have been listed on this particular platform, and which includes of e-suite, studio, shared rooms, flats, twin sharing room, double room, as per your choice. Where our accommodation experts will get involved with the student, help them with their shortlisting, get their questions, queries answered. Also, they help them with the payment part. Till that thing, also what we take care of. And the 14 locations, what I already explained you in the last slide, like these are locations what we majorly cater to. But we are very strong in UK and Australia, I should say, UK, Australia, and Canada also. And these entire, just after this PPT, I'll help you with a brief how this entire search platform works and the link, so that you can search as per your need and as per the budget, where you can shortlist or raise a query, which all the properties which has been listed on this platform, also which mentions all the pricing. You don't have to depend on anybody. So these are some of the pics of some of the accommodations that we have listed. And what are the things that students get help from us if we choose the accommodation from us is, as I said, accommodations will be of good safety, proximity, amenities, community flexibility, and value for the money what they are paying. And as I said, they have different choice that they can choose from the platform, whether they want a single room, double room, studios, e-suites, or girls specific rooms, anything. And you can also search on the platform uh, the locations or the accommodations which are near to any particular university, college, depending on price, highest, lowest, everything. And these accommodations where it also are available for the students who can book typically, they can also book from 2 weeks plus to 40 to 51 weeks also, in this as per the need and as per the budget. But the more duration that you try to book, it comes with a better price and better choice. The lesser duration that you take, it comes with Sometimes, many times I should say, it's a little bit expensive and might not get near to your university or college. That's one logic. Second, the sooner that you book for the accommodations, you get with a better price and better accommodations. The later that you book, it might be a little bit expensive and might not get the accommodations near to university and college what you might be looking for. So always this you keep in mind. Though we have also accommodations, student book even 1 day advance also. If he's flying tomorrow, today also he books the accommodation from us. To that level also, that and today also what we around 3-4 months early also he can book the accommodation from us. That should not be issue. And these all rooms comes with a different combinations. Like if you like when you open the portal, what I'll share you after this, help you with the entire walk through the portal after this PPT, where you can search the options, where you can choose what are things that you want to have in the accommodations before finalizing. Like you want to have CCTV cameras, security, gym, and study room, on-site recreation, laundry, bicycle, cycle, all these things. And apart from this, there'll be all staff will be available in all this all these accommodations. Like you want to have a bicycle store and on-site laundry, as I said earlier. And as I said, all accommodations are near to universities and colleges, so that be easier for you to communicate. And we don't charge anything from the students for our services, and this all the accommodations are all inclusive of bills. And these all accommodations are student friendly accommodations with student environment in and around that. And apart from this, as I shared, we also support you in the post-arrival services. For once you land up over there, if you're looking for capacity, that also we get involved into. And the reason behind what we strongly recommend, you can also look for accommodation outside the university college, because if you are looking for accommodations inside the university, your network restricts among only the students of the that particular university or that particular college. But if you are looking for accommodations outside, you get an opportunity to network among other university students, other college students, other working professionals, and also so that increases your network, right? That helps you definitely in your current academics, what you are studying. That also helps you in your internship or placement, and this will help you in the long run, right? And apart from this, sometimes we also get students who want to look for accommodation outside, because sometimes in between their father, mother, some relatives want to have a short trip over there, they can also stay with them. This all flexibilities it comes with. And apart from this, if you're looking for outside universities, it comes with more privacy, it comes with more safety, as it are purely student accommodations, and where it's a place where you get a networking opportunity among good student base, right? That helps you in your academics, as I said, for the purpose why you are going over there also, which uh, it adds more value for the time and energy what you are spending over there. And as I said, these all properties what we are listed over here all are near to grocery stores to fulfill your day-to-day needs or anything that matters for you, more Indian sort of thing. Apart from it, these all are also near to the bus stops and also tubes to you to communicate between the university and your living location. And as I said, there are different combinations what you can look for, because e-suits, shared rooms, studios, flats, what you look for. There are some more also needs to be added over here. Like you can look for double room, single room, flat, sharing room, everything. So once you shortlist, once you raise your query of particular accommodation in particular city, what you're looking for, then our accommodations people will call you, understand your requirement in more detail, in more elaborate way. They'll help you the accommodation as per your needs and as per your budget. And so this has the flexibility. These are some of the accommodations what I have just tried to paste here so that you can have a look at that. These are not the accommodations sometimes what people experience on Facebook, or people are private players are lending up the rooms, and there will be some pictures where see the pictures, students go there many times. What they also come on to us and say that what they have seen initially, when they go there, they are not experiencing that sort of environment or accommodations. But here, what you see over here, you get the same feeling over there. So that is a plus point in taking forward the services from us.